My name is Matt Hunsberger, and I'm the managing partner of SprinkGUARD LLC. So in 2009, I was a college basketball coach, and we had a soccer ball kicked in our gymnasium that broke a sprinkler head, and it flooded 3/4 of our hardwood gymnasium floor. So you're talking like $200,000 floor ruined. My athletic director came to me and he said, "Hey, have you seen the guards that the local engineers have come up with to protect the sprinkler heads?" And I said no, and he was laughing, and I didn't really know why. And he said, "Well, come with me." He took me to the back room and he introduced me to a 250-pound steel cage that looked like a laundry basket. So in that moment I realized I had a solution to the problem that would not only help my employer, but it would help others not go through what we went through. And really, that was the birth of SprinkGUARD. So SprinkGUARD offers a variety of products that all function the same way. They protect sprinkler heads. Our guards have been used in retail locations, athletic facilities, and even residential homes. So what makes SprinkGUARD different from other guards in the industry is that we attach directly to the supply line. The other guards in the industry attach directly to the sprinkler head, which creates a leverage point, and when hit, can break the sprinkler head and flood your facility. So why am I passionate about SprinkGUARD? Because it's a simple product that helps people protect what matters most to them, and nothing matters more than that. So if you're on our website, I would encourage you check out our products tab and learn more about our products. Review our testimonials and see what customers are saying about SprinkGUARD. Or if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.